Good morning, everybody. Happy day, morning day. It is Jenny's joke of the day time. What is your joke of the day today, Jenny?
What was the daughter's reaction when her father got her a fridge for her birthday?
Well, what was the daughter's reaction when her father got her a refrigerator for her birthday?
Yep.
That is a very long, strange question, especially from a 13-year-old. I have no idea. I've never gotten one of my daughters a refrigerator. What would that be? Torture Dad.
He couldn't wait to see her face light up when she opens it.
There are many other things that you would like that would light up your face, isn't there?
Like the sun,
the sun, the moon, the laptop, your sister's headphones, little Smurfette. Well, since today is your first day of school first day back to school, let's see your pretty dress. Ta-da! Oh, you got to step back a little bit further. Step back. You're not listening. Step back.
I can't because of plants.
Oh, step beside it. Beside it. Listen to me. Beside it. Now.
Plants.
Now you can step beside it. I can turn the camera. Look. I want to see the top of your head. Now spin. Okay, now you can come back. Thank you. Well, stay blessed, everybody. Have a most wonderful day. Make the world a better place, one person and one moment at a time. And your 2 cents.
Like and subscribe to get to our goal. To get to 1,000 subscribers.
You have a great day, everybody.
If you are new here.
Yeah.
It's our goal of the year.
All right. Say bye.
Bye.